about this topic. First of all, the theme of this conference is low back pain. Low back pain has been the second most commonest form of pain, which leads to what we say. We say that it leads to functional decline of an individual, leading to their inability to go to work. It can be a student, it can be a working professional, but the focus of the day is geriatric professionals. So who are geriatric? The problems related to people with 60 years and above. So why are we talking about this group of people and their problems? So low back pain is often ignored for this category of people, those who are socio-economic status. Often the people of lower socio-economic status having low back pain do not come or report their pain to a therapist or a healthcare professional. So that's why I have highlighted here the socio-economic status. Persons with low socio-economic status have often more of low back pain, often ignored by them, of the vertebral bodies. So that is termed as degeneration of spine, and the common conditions known is like disc degeneration, osteoarthritis of spine, lumbar spondylosis. Now talking about protocol should be patient-centric, based on them, tailor-made for them. So here, educating the patient is of vital, and geriatric people need more of counseling, more of education on various conditions and how they hamper their lifestyle, how it can affect their functional capacities. We have already discussed this, postural adjustments and smoking. Why smoking? Smoking has been shown in research that it leads to decline or accelerates the spinal degeneration. Now talking about the psychological consideration, when we are talking about geriatric, we should consider few psychological aspects like the
we are removing the bone from the lower limb of L4. So we need a high speed birth, and the water is continuously irrigated. So we are working under the vision of water, and this water is your hemostatic. It will prevent the bleeding. Okay, like in open surgery you have to cauterize the bleeding points, but here you don't have to cauterize the bleeding points. The water will keep the pressure over the bleeders. You can see that the bone is drilled with the help of high speed birth, and we are trying to find the junction of the LF, that is ligament of lemma, with the bone. From that point we will start removing the ligament of lemma with the help of Carison or Rongier.
फिजियोथेरापी भाई भौणी मानकर ओडिशार उल्लेखनीय अवदान पाई मुतांकी प्रशंसा तांकर उद्यम रे आज हेउथिबा फिजियोथेरापी सम्मेलन को मोर अनेक शुभकामना जनाउछु एवं ओडिशा माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मोहन चरण मांझीଙ୍କ नेतृत्वରେ ଏହି संस्था फिजियोथेरापिस्ट मानकर समस्या एवं पाठ्यक्रम उन्नति निश्चित भाव में
It will end up when the patient will be pain free, when the movement will be pain free, when the joint will start working. So after surgery, after every intervention, the role of physiotherapist is beyond our horizon. And let's come together on this good auspicious day. And the concept today, this year's theme is low back ache and its role. So try to give movements, try to give mobility to each and every joint along with surgeons. So let's come together, and thank you everyone again. And today my topic of discussion is arthroscopic double row repair of the rotator cuff, and BOF is a part of the shoulder joint. And as Dr. Kasinath has extensive, it is constituted by our glenoid, head of humerus, distal end of the clavicle, the part of the scapula. It's not moving. Regarding rotator cuff is a conglomeration of the four muscles. So what are the four muscles starting from anterior to posterior? Subscapularis, supraspinatus, infraspinatus and teres minor. So this is the roof over the shoulder joint. And when roof has been done, we can give mobility to the shoulder. So all these supraspinatus, the role is abduction, infra is abduction, external rotation, teres minor is external rotation. So the mini open technique which touches calmness and stiffness of the techniques of single row, double row, trans osseous equivalent technique of the rotator cuff. Another technique is the suture bridge technique. Shoulder joint, this is the acromion, subacromial space. So what is the subacromial space? The space between the acromion and the humerus vein. And you see the turn area is the turn rotator cuff. That is the supraspinatus, infraspinatus and teres minor. So first thing is in the keyhole surgery of shoulder is identification of the rear side. Next is the preparation of the footprint. So what is the footprint? The footprint for subscapular cuff. And all these things we are doing arthroscopically. Of our rotator cuff, that means our supra, infra and teres minor tendon. Placing of two row anchors, one medial row anchor near the head of the humerus or the articular surface, or forward elevation in the left shoulder compared to the right shoulder. In right shoulder, the range is almost around 10-20 degrees. Can you continue the second video? You see, in the left side, the left shoulder is elevating completely up to 160, 120, but the right shoulder is not possible. Investigations like MRI and X-ray of the shoulder is routinely done. You can see the post-op stitches, we have applied 4-5 stitches only. We have not cut extensively and we have not damaged any deltoid, okay, or the capsule part. So there are 4-5 small holes, just like keyhole surgery. Next day dressing is sustained. So it's the role of physiotherapy. So we are together, we can do. I can keep the patient follow for next 6 months, 9 months or 1 year. So the role of physiotherapy begin here. I have instructed my patients and Bala, previously Bala is our colleague, so I have referred lots of shoulder cases to Bala Kishore, and the physiotherapy will continue minimum 3 to 6 months or maybe 1 year. So the physiotherapy role is, surgery is a procedure for 2 widely pain-free movements in his right shoulder. Next slide please. Just continue with the video. It's a 5-month follow, and you can see you can differentiate it. Just 10-degree difference between both the shoulders.
Namaste.
1 degree of internal rotation. So to use any immobilizer, to immobilize the shoulder and to allow the cuff to heal, and we can just continue with the elbow and the wrist arrowhead to prevent any debility when it comes. The sixth
shoulder to आरंभ करें सब सेक्टर सब विभाग रे आपण मानकर उपस्थिति केमिति सेडा जे केबे अनुभव करनी से जानि परिबनी विश्व फिजियोथेरापी दिवस उपलक्षे ओडिसा रे किबा फिजियोथेरापिस्ट मानकर अनुप्रेरणा क्रमे जो फिजियोथेरापी सम्मेलन होगाकू जाउची से सम्मेलन रो उत्तरोत्तर उन्नति एवं सफलता को कामना करूची। फिजियोथेरापी गोटे एमिति पाठ्यक्रम आहुरी अनेक फिजियोथेरापिस्ट बाहर भल फिजियोथेरापिस्ट बाहर एवं ଲୋକଙ୍କର ସେବାରେ ନିଜକୁ ବ୍ରତୀ କରନ୍ତୁ। ପୁଣି କହିବି ସେବାର ମୂଲ୍ୟ କେହି କେବେ ଦେଇପାରେ ନାହିଁ। ଆଉ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର ସେବାର ମୂଲ୍ୟ ଅବିନା କୌଣସି ରୋଗୀ ଭଲ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ। ଫିଜିଓଥେରାପି ପାଠ୍ୟକ୍ରମକୁ ଆଗକୁ ଆହୁରି ବଢ଼ାନ୍ତୁ ଏବଂ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ନୂଆ ପିଲା ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ଭଲ ଫିଜିଓଥେରାପି କେହି ବାହାରନ୍ତୁ। ଏ ସମ୍ମିଳନୀର ପୁଣି ଥରେ କହିବି ଏ ସମ୍ମିଳନୀ ବହୁତ ଆଗକୁ ନେଉ ଫିଜିଓଥେରାପିଷ୍ଟମାନଙ୍କୁ ଏବଂ ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଫିଜିଓଥେରାପିଷ୍ଟମାନେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ଦିନେ ବିଶ୍ୱରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ନାଁ କରନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ଏତିକି ହିଁ ମୋର ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ସଫଳତାର କାମନା କରିବି ଏବଂ ପ୍ରଭୁ ଶ୍ରୀ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିବି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କର କର୍ମମୟ ଜୀବନ ଆଗକୁ ବହୁତ ଭାବରେ ସୁସଂଗଠିତ କରୁ। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ନମସ୍କାର, ବନ୍ଦେ ଉତ୍କଳ।
And around Odisha. His guidance has empowered young physiotherapists with knowledge and ethical perspective in dealing patients and treating them. We welcome you, sir. I request sir to share a few words.
Respected Vishnu Pitama of Physiotherapy Odisha. Respected Rao sir, the teacher, the mentor of the physiotherapy faculty, students and delegates, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. Mobile slide fair किसी नहीं just किसी
दरकार नहीं स्लाइड
विश्व फिजियोथेरापी ए उपलक्षे आपण मान समस्त को स्वागत करूची, अभिनंदन करूची। मो सब जुआडे जाय सब बोले गोटे कथा कहे आमे माने केही फिजियोथेरापी रे जॉइन करिने एज ए चॉइस। वी हैव ऑल जॉइन फिजियोथेरापी आउट ऑफ कंपल्सन। किंतु एज ए फिजियोथेरापिस्ट आई रियली फील प्राउड। The physiotherapy, as 21st century is going to, it belong to physiotherapy. Anyway, WHO estimate that in 21st century, it is not the infection, it is not the poverty, it is not the injury, it is the lifestyle diseases. It is the occupational hazards, which is going to be stress, which is going to be the greatest killer. Now, ये सब समस्या को समाधान करने पे फिजियोथेरापी एकमात्र उपाय। फिजियोथेरापी play a very important role in health promotion, providing a good posture, movement, improving the productivity of the individual, injury prevention, and overall function of the individual. In the second stage, physiotherapy play a very important role in early diagnosis and prompt treatment. That in musculoskeletal condition, physiotherapy play a very, very important role in orthopedic medicine, orthopedic medical condition. 90% of all orthopedic medical conditions can be managed exclusively by physiotherapy. And coming to the low back pain, low back pain is the second commonest problem in any outpatient department. Every individual suffers with low back pain, some type of problem, with disease or pain. And it is difficult to diagnose the case of low back pain. When low back pain patient आसते out of it, usually हमें देखो सेमानों आइथर स्पॉन्डाइलोसिस और पीआईडी करके डायग्नोसिस होगी। आजकल मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट इज बेस्ड ऑन एमआरआई, इन्वेस्टिगेशन एमआरआई। हमें देखो कैरियर आरंभ करते लोगों में एक्सरे भी नथिला। एबे प्रत्येक लोक आसुଛନ୍ତି एमआरआई धरिके एंड यू विल फाइंड ऑल द डायग्नोसिस इज प्रोलॉन्ग इंटरवेंशन। और 80 इयर लोक आसुଛି तार भी डायग्नोसिस इज प्रोलॉन्ग इंटरवेंशन। अरे बाबा 60 वर्ष पर डिस्क नता है, 50-60 वर्ष पर डिस्क degenerate करके it become a fibrous structure. What is there to herniate? Disc तो नहीं herniate कला कौन? But still the diagnosis is disc herniation. So what I want to say, your physiotherapy evaluation, physiotherapy diagnosis is entirely different from any other evaluation of diagnosis. So I always emphasize you should be very good in evaluation. And low back pain evaluation बहुत simple. Let the patient assume you should take a history, what is the site of pain, the course of radiation, the duration, the aggravating factor, relieving factor, like in sitting, in standing, in lying, in which position the pain aggravates and in which position the pain gets relieved. तापर पेशेंट को क्या करेंगे just with the normal base of support, the front, the back, the side of the posture, whether the lordosis is normal, whether lordosis is reduced, whether there is any ground deviation. तापर simply you go for the movement evaluation. Very, very important thing is you go for the movement evaluation in standing position. Ask the patient to bend forward. So forward bending, right? Usually on the man whether the individual can touch the floor or not. Sira dekho. I'm open to the important. But ankylosing spondylitis patient with complete fusion of the lumbar spine can touch the floor by compensated movement from the hips. And you say this flexion is normal. For other medical professors, I say, he is having normal mobility, but it is not so. Very thoroughly, keenly, you have to look for the movement. Segment-wise, you have to look for the movement. Whether the movement is taking place in each segment or not. Then in standing position, you go for the side bending. And while checking the side bending again, see the creases, the flank creases, the number of creases, the depth of the creases, and compare it to both the sides. And see whether the original symptoms जो थे आप लोगों का से symptom का को movement रे reproduce होता है सेट अप हाईलाइट करो पड़ो हमारे evaluation में सेट अप हाईलाइट करो then for extension in prone lying position ask the subject to press on the hand and do the extension and you check the segmental mobility. In most of the cases you find a deep crease at the lumbosacral junction suggestive of segmental hypermobility. So a movement evaluation versal हमको you have to go for a neurological neuromuscular evaluation. Then you interpret and correlate your finding. The most common problem, the so-called prolapsed intervertebral disc or herniated disc lesion. This is characterized by this usually occurring in elderly in middle age, 30 to 50 years of age. आपनकर डिस्क प्रोलैप्स रे अपन अनुलर रप्चर होता है एवं से रप्चर अनुलर देखिए न्यूक्लियस पल्पोसस herniate करता है before 30 years what happen your annulus pulpus is strong enough healthy enough to protect the gel like nucleus pulposus and after 50 the nucleus pulpus gel like nucleus pulposus is converted into a fibrous mass. Your disc is a avascular structure, it doesn't have blood supply, it doesn't have the blood supply. It derives its nutrition from the vertebral body above and below by a process of diffusion. As a nutrition by कौन दरकार? The movement. With change in posture, with the movements, the intradiscal pressure alter, and with this alternation of the intradiscal pressure, the fluid exchange occurs between disc space and vertebral body above and below. I mean, in supine lying position with the hip and knee flex, your disc pressure is the minimum. Then it further increase with lying supine with the left side, further increase in standing erect, it further increase in sitting erect, it further increase in standing and bending forward, and it becomes maximum while sitting and bending forward. And most of the working hour, our posture is either sitting or standing, during which the disc pressure is positive. So the disc releases the fluid into the vertebral body of our body. As a result, what happens at the end of the day, the disc height is reduced. The height of the individual is also reduced by a few millimeters. And during the night hour, when you are in a lying position, your spine is not subjected to gravitational load. The disc pressure is, the disc absorb the fluid from the vertebral body above and below, the disc pressure is less and this absorb the fluid. So as a result early in the morning, the height of the individual is increased by 2. So, if you go for the rest, usually patient with prolapsed intraabdominal disc is advised to go for the rest. With rest, what happens? The fluid exchange between these two compartments is going to be affected. There is a annular rupture, any soft tissue rupture required to be healed. For healing, what is required? Blood supply is required. Nutrition is required. If you give rest, there is no fluid exchange. The torn annular fibrosis is devoid of nutrition and healing is going to be affected. So, we don't recommend for the rest. Initially for 2 days, 3 days, in acute condition we can go for the rest. Then the movement has to be initiated. Even in acute PID in Western country, cycling, static cycling, mini squat, etc., aerobics are recommended. And people say when there is acute condition, you cannot go for the physiotherapy. But I always recommend physiotherapy is meant to relieve the pain. Even in acute condition, you can start physiotherapy to relieve the pain. We have two concepts to deal with the prolapsed intraabdominal disc. One is your McKenzie concept where you go for the repeated extension exercise. When there is a trunk deviation, we correct the trunk deviation and advise the patient to perform repeated extension exercise at home. And with repeated extension, the posteriorly herniated disc is going to shift forward and reduce back to this floor space. And there is another concept, but that is your serious concept where patient having prolapsed intraabdominal disc, that is known as soft disc lesion. You will find that the diagnostic feature is flexion, extension and side flexion to the affected side reproduce the original cell. And in that case again, if there is a trunk deviation, you correct that and go for the traction. And traction should be preferably giving a extension. And that too, we recommend in prone-lying position. And duration of the traction should not exceed 10 to 11 minutes. If you go for sustained traction more than 10 to 11 minutes, this volume is going to increase, and as you remove the traction, the disc pressure is going to increase and the herniation will occur to a greater extent. So remember, your sustained traction duration should not exceed 10 to 12. The next common condition, as the disc with aging, the disc degenerate, the disc height is reduced, the vertebral body above subluxed downward, giving rise to segmental hypermobility or instability. And in that condition, in middle-aged person, they develop lock back. There is a lock back. As you bend forward and while getting up, during re-extension falling forward back, the back gets stuck in a particular position. So what is the mechanics? Your meniscal body or synovial fold or capsular fold get entrapped between the fascias. And the typical picture is same as acute PID. Patient will have severe pain, back is stuck in a particular position, no movement is possible in either direction. In that case, if you can diagnose it properly and give the rotatory manipulation, the block is going to open up and the condition gets relieved immediately. And again in same middle age, when there is a segment of hypermobility instability, one may develop spondylolisthesis. You have the abdominals and hip extensors that call it force couple, responsible for posterior tilt of the pelvis, rotation of the pelvis. You have the back extensor and hip flexor that form another force couple that rotate the pelvis forward. So for a normal lumbopelvic posture, these two force couples should be balanced with each other. But most often you find there is an imbalance due to abdominal muscle weakness or hip extensor weakness, or there might be tightness of the hip flexor. As a result, what happens? The hip flexor and back extensor force couples overact, resulting in increased lumbolorosis or hyperextensor of the lumbar spine. And with hyperextension, at the unstable segment, the vertebral body with the vertebral column above it shift forward, giving rise to spondylolisthesis. That's why, physiotherapy include avoid immediately, prescription should be the first one, should be avoid hyperextension exercise. Since there is the instability, stabilization exercise, that is your static, abdominal static exercise should be recommended. Flexion exercise can be recommended. And people go for the press, but we don't recommend for the press because press is going to inhibit the muscle activities, muscle weakness, and instead unstable segment, is going to further become unstable. We can go for the thoracic spine mobilization in that case, so that symmetrical spinal mobility can be restored, and excessive hyperextension stress of the lumbosacral junction, hyper unstable segment can be removed. Then next comes with the further deceleration. The disc space is replaced by the fibrous tissue, intervertebral mobility is impaired, and one develops stiff spine, which is known as your spondylosis. And in spondylosis, your Maitland rhythmic joint mobilization is useful since the spine is stiff. Energy attention capacity of the spine is reduced, spine is liable to injury. Your degeneration takes over years to decades. So simple spondylosis doesn't give rise to any symptom. Aging, because the nerve root get adopted to the stenotic position. Stenosis is not a diagnosis. Let me tell you, there is a misconception. Stenosis is a diagnosis where you go for the flexion exercise, extension exercise. Also, many conditions can give rise to stenosis. Your prolapsed intervertebral disc is a stenosis. Facet arthropathy can give rise to stenosis. Spondylosis can give rise to stenosis. Listhesis can give rise to stenosis. So, it is not a simple diagnosis. Like sciatica is not a diagnosis. Sciatica is a symptom. When radiating along the course of the sciatic nerve, the cause is different. What is the specific cause? That is the diagnosis. Your PIV can give rise to sciatica pain. Spondylosis can give rise to sciatica pain. So, you have to make a specific diagnosis, right? So, in case of spondylosis, you go for the Maitland mobilization to restore the mobility, flexibility of the spine, and some structure are tight. The structure really softly release and mobilization. But most of the conditions, these are the specific, low back pain can be divided into specific and non-specific. About 10 to 15% comes under the specific, where specific diagnosis like PIBT, spondylosis, spondylolisthesis, sprain, etc. Spondylitis, etc. can be given. But 85 to 90% of the cases, no specific diagnosis can be given. When there is no specific diagnosis, then what should be the treatment? Physiotherapy play, only the physiotherapy play. The others, they can give symptomatic medication and all. You have to find out, which structure is tight. There may be some hypomobility of some segment and there may be hypermobility of some segment. Some muscle may be tight. Most commonly, it is associated with non-specific low back pain associated with myofascial trigger point. You have to find out which muscle is having the trigger point, which segment is having hypomobility, and those hypomobility segments has to be mobilized. Trigger point has to be released. Which muscle need to be strengthened and tight muscle need to be released. Activities modification if required can be done. So most of what we find, there is myofascial trigger point over the levator scapulae in 85 to 90% of the cases, giving rise to low back pain or even radiating pain down the leg. There is no anatomical link between this levator scapulae and the low back or the leg. But still, it is thought that probably the dura through the deep fascia is attached to either of the structure, this levator scapulae at all. So myofascial trigger point of this levator scapulae or the upper trapezius mainly giving rise to this back pain and radiating pain. So simply we manage almost all the back pain patients with release of the levator scapulae, upper trapezius, mobilization of thoracic spine. Only in case of spondylosis without the lumbar spine or lumbar mobilization, but almost all the cases, whether it is specific low back pain, whether it is non-specific low back pain, to try with stretching of the levator scapulae upper trapezius, release upper thoracic mobilization, you will find there is lot of relief. We never use any modality. I never remember using any modality. Simple that is the difference of a physiotherapist from any other medical. Your diagnosis is different, your evaluation procedure is different while managing the low back pain condition. And proper education has to be given to the patient. On the per day, after your evaluation, after your diagnosis, you must educate the patient what is his problem, what to be done, what not to be done. And believe me, 90% of the low back pain, simple by manual therapy, can get relief.
Any other kidney liver issue where we cannot operate, then how can we alleviate the pain of the patient? There comes role of everybody. There comes role of conservative management. There comes role of physiotherapy. Okay, and PP sir should give a lecture on how to deal knee issues, because just like spine, knee problems are increasing with aging population. So that is why how we will conservatively treat these knees in a better way. We cannot give a surgical answer to all grade 3, grade 4 OA patients. Because for patient, as I said, this is a costly procedure. Again, where there is a comorbidity levels are very high, you cannot operate. Then that patient has no right to treatment. Yes, he has right. So we should know what is the way of physiotherapy, how to deal with this patient, what are the conservative modalities of management. Okay. Next. Next slide, please. So, how AI or robotic assisted surgery helps? It helps. It makes the surgery in a patient-specific way. This short video of 2 to 3 minutes.
पूरा चिकन बोलेला उसमें.
Now you mark everything.
Sir. See? Wow. Baby. Hey. Kata na? Semua itu barang baru kosak ini. Udah kota
Ask you, there is no time.
But don't skip. नहीं dimana tuh biar kata di sini. Bon kata lagi. Ini kan lagi. Guna tuh
After time is short. To take all osteophyte all around the tibia and the femur peripheral surface, posterior osteophytes are being removed from posterior condylar space. Then the knee is assessed, and right now the arrays are attached. These arrays will give information to the robotic system, and robot will create a 3D model. I will plan with the robot. First we will do a virtual surgery with the robotic system, and once you are satisfied, we will keep going to the robotic system to cut the bone and do the rest of the surgery. So this is a robotic assisted surgery. A part of the surgery are being planned and part of the surgery are being performed by the robotic system. The rest of the surgery closure, the opening, the cementing are done by the surgeon himself. So more information, type of the knee, ligament status, the ligament length throughout the range of movement, the implant sizing, the bone cuts will be much better performed when you take a robotic system assistance. Now the trackers are attached. Now registration is marked. The center, the medial malleus, lateral malleus, tibial center, the rotation point, the highest point of the tibia, the highest point of femur, everything is marked, and that helps the robot to create a 3D model. This is the registration stage, then comes the planning stage. Plans with the help of the robot.
Was ready.
Physiotherapy का रोल ही नहीं है. ऐसा कोई बात ही नहीं है. But physiotherapy becomes much easy because you did a surgery properly. Sandeep will also agree with me and he will tell you the same thing. But we are doing a proper surgery where we make the life of our physiotherapists very easy also. And they get happy patients. That is how robot help us.
হ্যাঁ পবন হলা
You have given to the computer,
বার্থডে হবে সে
if you are agree, then you go to the planning stage. Now again you take the knee to the from full extension to flexion and see what is the ligament status in your graph, and you try to balance, you try to get the same thing on all fours. 9, 6, 11.59. That means there is some tightness laterally because we are dealing the valgus knee, there is some laxity in the medial knee, and with your planning you try to get equal numbers all around. With the patient specific system, we wish to get 2 mm laxity lateral side in comparison to the medial side so that the gait will be proper. It will be a normal gait. So at the end of the day, you get a more patient specific result rather than a result which is equal for everybody, where we cannot get maximum patient satisfaction.
And our next guest, इनके बारे में मैं श्रीमती सुलोचना दास, मेयर भुवनेश्वर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन ऑन स्टेज. Next we are having ଗୋଟେ ଜୋରଦାର କରତାଳି ହେବା ଦରକାର, ଡକ୍ଟର R.N. ଦାସ, ଓଡ଼ିଶା's first physiotherapist. Department of Psychiatric High-Tech College. And last but not the list, Dr. Suresh Babu Reddy, sir, Chief Speaker.
Namaskar, Honorable Minister, Honorable dignitaries on the dais and of the dais. समस्तों को बहुत बहुत शुभेच्छा फिजियोथेरेपी डे में. Luckily or unluckily, I don't know, but I as the Disability Commissioner of the state, I know the importance of physiotherapy in each and every life. I mean, ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ଯଦି ମୋର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ମୁଁ କହିବି, ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି I can better tell you because I had gone spinal surgery. से सर्जरी पर मोर प्लेट लगी से सक्सेसफुली ऑपरेशन पर मत एवरीडे आई हैव टू डू फिजियोथेरेपी. एंड फिजियोथेरेपी ना केते असुविधा दैट आई कैन टेल यू. से मु खाली मो कथा कहूनी, इच एंड एवरी लोक जार किसी प्रॉब्लम रही से नी रे हो बा कोनसी बोन रे हो, बोन जॉइंट रे हो बा स्पाइन रे हो बा एमती वी डोंट नो द फ्यूचर केते बळे कार कोन हे जब कार ब्रेन स्ट्रोक हे होची, पूरा बॉडी पैरालिसिस हे होची, आउ सेते बळे से जानि न जे तापर कोन हबो. तो से स्टेज रे फिजियोथेरेपी भी केते काम दिए सेटा समस्त जानुचन. तार इंपोर्टेंस धीरे धीरे बढ़ी बढ़ी चली, कारण जो भी भाव में एक्सीडेंट बढ़ी बढ़ी चलती विभिन्न जगार. खाली एक्सीडेंट नुहे, विभिन्न स्ट्रोक कथा स्ट्रोक हो एक्सीडेंट हो छड़ा डिजीजेस जोमती बढ़ी बढ़ी चली से फिजियोथेरेपी इंपोर्टेंस आहरी बढ़ी चलती. मो धन्यवाद देवी माननीय मंत्री को. सी माने यंग एनर्जेटिक सब बड़े काम को बहुत भल पाउथुवा व्यक्ति विशेष. सी निश्चित भाव में जो फिजियोथेरेपी जो सेंटर गुड़ाक अच्छी, आई नो इट वेरी वेल कि ओडिशा रे जिते फिजियोथेरेपी कॉलेज रही से कॉलेजेस रे तांको पिला मानक पई आउरी बेटर एनवायरनमेंट दरकार. आउट से कॉलेज गुड़िकर मध्य इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आउर बहुत भल हवा दरकार. से निश्चित भाव से ध्यान देवे. मु धन्यवाद देवी एठी हमर जे चीफ पैटर्न अच्छा मोर बड़ भाई तिरुपति पाणिग्राही महोदय जी की तांकर सब बेले दिग प्रति बहुत उत्साहजनक हेल्प से करिसेंती. कि हाईटेक मेडिकल कॉलेज रे फिजियोथेरेपी कॉलेज कैंपस भीतर रही बहुत स्टूडेंट एठू मध्य बाहरी आगुड़ आम केवल जानते जे नीट रही नीटारू जतिक स्टूडेंट बाहर थे से ही आसुले किंतु परवर्ती पर्यायर सेंटर गुड़िक प्राय बहु जगार हो गला प्राइवेट गवर्नमेंट तो सेठू पास आउट जो स्टूडेंट मानक बहुत बड़ स्कोप रही फ्यूचर रे कारण लोक मैंने बुझिले फिजियोथेरापी इम्पोर्टेंस आउ ताको मध्य काम रे लगाउछंती मु पर्टिकुलरली भुवनेश्वर महानगर निगम कथा कहबे वी हैव 19 अर्बन वेल्थ एंड माने वेलनेस हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस सेंटर जो थ्री कि आमे फिजियोथेरापिस्ट मस्ट रखुछु जोटा आगुरु एनयूएचएम रखुथिला किंतु परवर्ती पर्यायर से पोस्ट गुड़िक सब बंद कर दिया गला बट बीएमसी ताको से पोस्ट गुड़िक एवं रिटेन करके रखी कारण से डिमांड रही जो मैंने सीनियर सिटीजन कारण आम अल्प दिन पर आम एमती गोटे कंट्री हवा जो कंट्री की मोस्ट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन दे आर सीनियर सिटीजन दे विल बी सीनियर सिटीजन तो ये सीनियर सिटीजन मानकर ये जो प्रॉब्लम थाए जॉइंट पेन हो बैक एक हो अलग जो प्रॉब्लम थी बोन रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम से गुड़ी को एड्रेस करने आमको दरकार प्रति ग्रासरूट लेवल प्रति वार्ड रे आमको से जो अर्बन हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस सेंटर रही से गुड़िक फिजियोथेरापी प्रोविजन रहा दरकार नो डाउट आमर एसएसपीडी डिपार्टमेंट से माने बहुत प्रोविजन करमर ये सेंटर खोली विभिन्न जगार जो कि फिजियोथेरापी दि जाऊँगी मागणा दि जाऊँगी लोक मान सतरे लोक मैंने बहुत बेनिफिटेड होती तेणु परवर्ती पर्यायर आम डेफिनेटली वी होप फॉर द बेस्ट कि आम गवर्नमेंट निश्चित भाव में कोट ना कोट ये सब जिनस को नजर को रखी फिजियोथेरापी जो कॉलेजेस गुड़िक इंट्रोड्यूस कर एजुकेशन तो से बढ़ावा देवे आम समस्ते मु भावी निश्चित भाव में गोटे भल प्लाटफर्म पाइबा चाहे से पाठ पढ़ार हो निजुक्ति हो ये मोस्ट ऑफ द खाली सेलिब्रेशन नुहे डे रु कि शिखिकी आग को बढ़िबार डे हूँ आज तेणु आम डेफिनेटली आग को बढ़ा आउ मोर पुणी थे भगवान पाखे प्रार्थना कर सक्सेस हो आपण मैंने बहुत आग को जातु ये इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत आग को जाऊ इंस्टीट्यूट कारण प्रति आप तिरुपति भाई केवल नुहे आपण मानकर ऑल द डॉक्टर्स ऑल द मेडिकल फ्रैटर्निटी जो आर प्रेजेंट हियर समस्त बहुत बड़ा अवदान रही स्टूडेंट मानकर बहुत बड़ा अवदान रही कारण से नथिले इंस्टीट्यूट भी हो न समस्त को मु आज दिन बहुत बहुत बधाई दूची एवं आशा करुच्ची आग को इंस्टीट्यूट सहित आपण मान फ्यूचर जाए समस्त बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद नमस्कार
बेस्ट स्किल्ड शिखी बेस्ट ह्यूमैनिटी शिखी सहित सेवा देवा भितर दृक्पथता भितर आसो सी जा निश्चित भाव में जा पहुँचो सेवा आपण बंची जन्म होती से सेवा देकरी लोकों को समाज भितर आसवाई मु पुणी थर आह्वान दूची जय हिंद नमस्कार
समस्त को नमस्कार आज वर्ल्ड फिजियोथेरापिस्ट ता सहित आम राज्य भी आज अनेक स्थान में नुआखाई पालन कर समस्त को नुआखाई जुआर हायर एजुकेशन और स्पोर्ट्स कथा कहते निश्चित भाव में से डिपार्टमेंट मो पाखे अच्छी कल्चर भी अच्छी तेणु नुआखाईटा को भूलि ना जहाँ बहुत खुशी लगिला मते इनविटेशन मिलता आपण मान तरफ आसवाई मुझे पचारि अरे मु तो गले कौन कह मोर तो बैकग्राउंड इलेक्ट्रिकल मु टीसीएस रे चाकरी करथिली तापर राजनीति रे जॉइन कली कि मेडिकल साइंस ऊपर जाई कौन कहबी कि नहीं आपण पाखे से मन पकड़ दे मन डाकिया को आस्थिला आपण पाखे स्पोर्ट्स और यूथ अफेयर्स अछि यूथ सर्विसेज अछि और सेठी केवल ही यूथ अछि आपण चलतु ये इंटरेक्शन हेबो समस्त सहित मिसबे और आमर कौन रोचे ये फिजियोथेरापी उपरे स्कोप आज दिन में कौन रोचे से संपर्क में कथा शिखबार कथा अच्छी निश्चय जीवी
मंचरे आज उपस्थित अच्छे आपण मानकर अति प्रिय अति आदरणीय जे निजर कम बयस संघर्ष करिकी आज ओडिशा नुहे देशर जड़े सफल व्यक्तित्व भाव में निजक प्रतिपादित करिसेंती अति आदरणीय तिरुपति पाणिग्राही महोदय उपस्थित अच्छी विधानसभा रे मोर सहयोगी जदियो आमर दलगत आइडियोलॉजी भिन्न हो पारे किंतु असेंबली जिते बड़े आम बाहर गोटे लबी थाए असेंबली बाहर से सब बसु आम सांगे बसु सांगे बसु आ कथा हो जे ओडिशार यूथ को कौन दरकार अच्छे आम पाखे विजन डॉक्यूमेंट केमित हबार आवश्यकता अच्छे एरिया रे कौन प्रॉब्लम्स अच्छे एवं से भी मते पचार केमित ताकू सॉल्यूशन करबा केमित ताकू सॉर्ट आउट करा जिवो मु भी ताको फील्ड रे से केमित एते भलो करि परिछंती ता विषय भी पचारे गोटे इंटरेक्शन रुहे विधानसभा रे मोर सहयोगी साथी भाई रूपेश पाणिग्राही मान्यवर विधायक कल्लाचमुंडी मंचरे उपस्थित अच्छी निश्चित भाव में नारी सशक्तिकरण जड़े प्रत्येक एपिटोम कही पारती आपण भुवनेश्वर मान्यवर मेयर जहाँकर सब इच्छा थाए क्यों भली भाव में भुवनेश्वर को प्रॉपर सर्विस देकी एक श्रेष्ठ अंचल भाव में परिगणित करने अति आदरणीय श्रीमती सुलोचना दास महोदया मंचरे उपस्थित थिबा डॉक्टर पार्जो सिंह ठारू आरंभ करी डॉक्टर सुरेश समस्त वरेण्य अतिथिवृंद मंच सम्मुख विभिन्न वरेण्य व्यक्ति विशेष एवं समस्त स्टूडेंट्स मुझे रास्ता रे आसिली आपण जो टर्न नवार अच्छी राइट को आसिकी आपण मान भर अनेक पिला वर्षा होउची किंतु बाइक धरिक ठिया भर तो गोटे पिला देखिली आगे से वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग करतुला सनरूफ खोल दी एटा होची यूथ यूथ भितर एटा होची डायनामिज्म हमर दायित्व ये जो तांको भितर उत्साह अच्छी ये जो आग्रह अच्छी ये जो एनर्जी अच्छी ताहा को जदि ठीक डायरेक्शन में हमें नहीं परिबा तबे तबे जाएगी ता स्टेट रो तबे जाएगी ता नेशन रो कल्याण में लागि देखो मु जते बेले आसुथुली टिके स्टडी करूथुली मु कोन कहिबी सेठी जाय मु जति देखिली गूगल टिके करली तापर चिंता कली मु गूगल करछि माने पिला मन तो निश्चित गूगल करथियो ते नुआ कथा किछि नै फिजियोथेरापी रे आजिर दिन रे मु जोटा फील करूछि आज इंडिया रे एवरेज स्क्रीन टाइम केते जानंती केते समय आपण मोबाइल को देखुछंती बा डिजिटल स्क्रीन को देखुछंती 3.8 आवर्स एवं प्रेडिक्ट करा हेछि आउ 5 वर्ष भीतर हेना डबल हेछि आउ 7 वर्ष भीतर सेटा यदि 24 घंटा रु 12 घंटा भी हे गला के आश्चर्य भी हेबे नै जदि गोटे लोक 2030 बेलू दिन को 12 घंटा स्क्रीन को अने की रहिला तबे तार नेक स्पाइनल बैक इशू इंजरी हो कि नहीं तो स्कोप तो अपन को प्रबल अछि तबे ये गोटे स्कोप कथा न करी जोटा कि माने गोटे लेमैन कोन बुझु आउ गोटे स्कोप आमे जते बेले जन्म होइथिल कि तिरुपति बाबू जो समय जन्म होती है मेडिकल रे जन्म हो घरे जन्म घरे जो आई माटा रहिला बा माँ रहिला बा जेजे माँ रहिला सी छोट छुआ को इन्फेंट को खरा को आनी की जो
তেল মালিশ করতে সেইটা হচ্ছে ফিজিওথেরাপি ମୁଁ ଯେତିକି ଜାଣିଛି ଫିଜିଓଥେରାପିଷ୍ଟ ଯୋଉମାନେ ପାଠ ପଢୁଥିବେ ଯୋଉମାନେ ବାଇକ୍ ଧରିକି ବର୍ଷାରେ ଓଦା ହଉଥିବେ ସେ ଯାଇଥିବ ତାର L4 ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥିବ ଆପଣ ତା ସହିତ ଗୋଟେ ଆଡିସନାଲ L5 କରିଦେବେ ଏମିତି ନ ହଉ ହବ କି ଏମିତି ତେବେ ଯାହା ହଉ ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଇକି ମିଶିକି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ଏବଂ ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ ଫିଜିଓଥେରାପିଷ୍ଟ ମାନଙ୍କର ଭୂମିକା କେତେ ଅଧିକ ମୁଁ ସିରିୟସ ନୋଟରେ କହିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି ଆମର ଆଜିର ଦିନରେ ପ୍ଲେୟର୍ସ ମାନଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଇଞ୍ଜୁରି ସବୁଠୁ ବଡ଼ କଥା 2036 ରେ इंडिया बोध हुए ओलंपिक ऑर्गेनाइज करिपारे ऑनरेबल पीएम से बहुत इफोर्ट करछे तो बहुत जगह रे हमर हाई परफॉर्मेंस सेंटर स्पोर्ट्स गुडा करे हेबो बहुत जगह रे स्पोर्ट्स विलेजेस तयारी हेबो से समय रे आपण निश्चित भाव रे इंडिया रे जते बेले हम ऑर्गेनाइज करूछंती तो हम प्लेयर्स माने केमिति मेडल पाइबे से संपर्क रे हम चिंता करूछु आ मेडल केमिति पाइबे तांका परफॉर्मेंस भलो केमिति हबो जदि तांकर इंजुरी टाकू ठीक रे हम एड्रेस करथियो सेति पई सेथिरे भी आपनको स्कोप रहउची ये कैरियर बहुत भलो कैरियर आजिर दिन रे मु आशा करिबी आपण माने जीवन रे बहुत सफल होंतु बहुत ऊपर को जानतु बहुत ये राज्य को देश को गर्व करिवार सुजोग दियंतु धन्यवाद वंदे उत्कल जननी भारत माता की जय
BPT with MPT PhD and diploma I mean doctorate in physical therapy so there is a lot of advancement in the field of physiotherapy as you all know earlier days physiotherapy means only with orthopedics so orthopedician will have one physiotherapist today from pediatric to geriatric from sports to schools to fitness to gym everywhere there is a physiotherapy. You see the sports, every individual, every sports person will have their personal physiotherapist. Physiotherapy is not only involved in rehabilitation or treatment. The major role of physiotherapy is prevention because everybody will treat, but the person who can prevent the injury is having more role and more responsible. So being a sports physiotherapist, if you can prevent sports injuries, you will be the successful physiotherapist. Coming to, I've been observing last 1 or 2 decades in this profession, there is a lot of quackerism. Many people are practicing behind physiotherapy. See what we are meant for, what we have studied, we have to practice. Believe the hand, with my hand, the magical hand, or I call it as a healing hand, with the touch of my hand I can heal the pain of the patient. Why I want to do unethical practice when I have such a beautiful healing hand? So I request all the youngsters to train, skill and knowledge your hand where your hand will heal the pain. It's not only about the pain, we can make immobile patients to mobile, non-ambulatory patients to ambulation. So when you have such a crucial and responsibility in treatment, why we want to do deviate from the actual treatment, so that is not good. The second most important thing is it took almost 4 or 5 decades to be called as a physiotherapist. 10-15 years back if you say that I am a physiotherapist, people used to ask oh kya hota hai, what is that? You do massage. Today you tell anybody that I am a physiotherapist, yes, physiotherapist. So we have been recognized as a physiotherapist, but my sincere advice and request to all the young physiotherapists and the teachers, as we have a specialty physiotherapy in existence now. We have MPT in sports, MPT in ortho, neuro. So in coming years, probably next 5 to 10 years, you should be called as a specialty physiotherapist, as orthopedic physiotherapist, sports physiotherapist. If I have a problem with neurological, then you should not say that I have to meet physiotherapist. I should say I should consult a neurological physiotherapist. So for that, you should practice only the specialty after you complete your MPT. And the final thing which I would like to say is, we have a physiotherapy council, that is National Commission for Allied and Healthcare, where physiotherapy has been put in a top position in healthcare system. People are getting confused that we are allied health professionals. No. The council name is Allied and Healthcare. There is a and between these two. In healthcare system, there are only 3 or 4 faculties, out of which physiotherapist and occupational therapist are being given independent practice. So you can diagnose, you can treat, you can do independent practice. But at the same time, I am telling you, do ethical practice since you have a role of independent status. And with this council, probably very soon it comes into existence where we start getting registrations and our profession will be recognized and our profession will be controlled and regulated by a government body. So I wish the organizing team best wishes for this conference. And finally, I'll just complete my small speech with the old quote that a doctor give years to the life of a patient, where we physios give quality of life those added years. So that's the beauty of physiotherapy. Proud to be a physiotherapist, and thank you once again. I wish you all a very happy World Physiotherapy Day. Thank you. I am a topper in the class, but I will not be able to, become a successful person in the market because I have lack of.
Of the topic. First, I'll introduce the introduction, which is based on psychological disorder, OCD, and it.
में फिर आ रे मोरी चिड़ैया हल्दी सी चिड़िया अंगना में फिर आ रे।
9 अगस्त 2024 को फिर एक बार शर्मसार हुई इंसानियत, फिर एक बार कुछ दरिंदों ने मिलकर एक महिला का बलात्कार कर उसे मार दिया।
Mafia, Hyderabad Mafia, Mafia. Still me out your head like a new Mafia, Mafia.
शक्ति का नाम ही नारी है, जग को जीवन देने वाली मौत भी तुझसे हारी है।
Helped me and many regain their strength and mobility. I would like to extend my sincere congratulations and best wishes to all of the physiotherapists in Odisha for the upcoming Odisha State Physiotherapy Conference, which will take place on this auspicious day's eve. Thank you all. Namaskar. Jai Jagannath.
जनकर वेल्थ को जनकर संपत्ति को ताले आज मु अंबानी को भी टक्कर दे परबी आ प्रकृत रे मु सत कथा कहबी आज मु केमिति कहि दोची
कोई बात नहीं
आपण जानि थी जदी आपनकर सांग कोडी थिबो तार गोटे अद्भुत एक्सेस थिबो से चीफ मिनिस्टर ही तांदो ना काहे कि ए तू मोर रेडी कर दू तो एई भलिया गोटे एक्सेस थाए तो किंतु मते इच्छा होतला जदी चांस मिलियो मु निजे जीबी वीडियो कॉल पठेबी इंद्र देवता टिके माने साथ देले वर्षा हो गला हमर सेठी शूटिंग जोडा सेट जोडा था से सेट धोई गला डायरेक्टर चाहिए जे नाही नुआ खाई अछि गणेश पूजा अछि सरी जाऊ तापरे हमें आराम से शूटिंग टा स्टार्ट करिवा तो मु सेत पे मु जानि के तो कहन नथि जे मो शूटिंग टा नाही बोली मु कहली हम वीडियो पठाउची ताको टे टेंशन देवा मते भी भल लगे मु वीडियो पठाउची तापर कल रात्रि भी से टेंशन आसला तो गोटे समस्त वीडियो देलेनी तो गोटे वीडियो आसुनी मु तापर सेही टेंशन टा पर्यंत मु अपेक्षा करिया थिला मु कहली वीडियो नुहे मु निजे जीवी आ आज प्रकृत रे गोटे गोटे जगह एमती थाए जो जगह रे पहुंची गले बहुत खुशी लगे कहीं मु जो मान को आज एड्रेस करछि जो मान का सामने रे वर्तमान अछि से माने कोठी ना कोठी फ्यूचर रे एमिति एमिति काम करबा को जाउचंती अनेक ऑलरेडी करूचंती जोटा निहाती भाबरे गोटे रियल हीरो रो काम गोटे रियल हीरोइन रो काम आपन लिए बेसी मोते गाड़ी देई पारू तू करी पारू हुए तो मो प्रेम पाप तो पानी भूल तू बुझी पारू मोते भूली जाई पारू तथापि कहूची मु
भल पाए feel my love feel my love
बस मु आपण मानकर लव को फील करी करी आज एठी
କୁହନ୍ତୁ Thank you so much, Sabir sir, for your love, your affection, your service to mankind, and please be the way you are.